How to check and install. This is the beginner's guide to Windows 11, and we're going to start off with how to check and install Windows Update, a step-by-step guide. So with this, we're going to be looking at our start menu as the first place we're going to go. So here's my desktop, my regular desktop, and then here's my start button. And down here's the start button. You click on this, and then you're going to go to your settings. Here's your settings with this little sprocket. If you can't find it there, then you can type in settings right here, and here's your settings right there. If you mess up on this portion, close out of here and go back to this little window right here and open it up again. You're going to click on settings. So that's how we get to settings. We're going to go to update Windows. So here's the Windows update. It's down on the left with the circle and the two arrows. And this is for Windows 11, so keep in mind. Mine has already been updated just recently because I had this morning. I run my computer all the time. So there's the update history, advanced options, and then right here it's pending to restart. Now you have a choice. You can restart now or you can schedule it. If you schedule it to restart, I have it picked for times that I'm not normally working, which is usually around 4 a.m. Usually I'll do that, hopefully. If you want to do it, say, on Saturday and Sunday, you can do that also. So keep in mind that you can schedule that update. When you're looking for your updates, you're looking for what it says right here, and it'll take a second to roll through. It'll sit there and wind and think and everything. The other part is down here within this little shield. It'll tell you if there's anything that needs to be done also. So if there's like an X down here, then it will also do the update option. Let's see if there's anything else. And that is how